Hello everyone. So this question is from June 2018 and question number is 77 from real analysis or segment is countable or uncountable set. So in this question we have to identify whether the given set is uncountable or not. So question number 77 in June 2018, which of following set is uncountable? So which of following set is uncountable? So first option is set of all functions from real line to the set 0, 1. The set of all functions from real line to 0, 1. Since we know that the number of functions from a set A to B is equal to number of element in B to the power number of element in A. So in this case, number of a function from R to 0, 1 is 2 to the power C. Since R has a C number of element, so this number is uncountable. So your first option definitely correct option. Second is a set of all functions from natural number to the set 0, 1. Again this number is 2 to the power alif naught, again which is uncountable. So second option also true. And third option is a set of all finite subsets. So set of all finite subsets of n. And D option is a set of all subsets of n. So in D option, this is representing power set of a natural number, and the cardinality of power set of a natural number is 2 to the power alif naught, which is again uncountable. So definitely your D option is true. Now the set of all subset of n which are finite, we have to find the number of subset which are finite subsets. So if we will take f of n, which is a subset of n, with a is a finite set, and define fk, which is a subset of n with number of element in A is exactly k, and k can be 0, 1, 2 and so on. Definitely union of fk, k is varying from 0, 1, 2 up to, is always fn, that is set of all finite subset of n. Now whenever k equal to 0, that is number of subset with no element is only empty set, so there is exactly one element in f0. So cardinality of f0 is 1, and cardinality of f1, so the number of subset of n with one element. So if we have to pick one element from n, so choices for picking one element from n is countable. So there are countably infinite number of subset with one element. Similarly, there are countably infinite subset with two elements. So for every k, this set is a countable set, and we know that the countable union of a countable set is always countable. So fn must be countable. So in n, the number of a subset with a finite element is always countable. So your C option definitely false option. So D option is true. So final answer is A, B and D, because we have to identify the uncountable set.